Welcome to Consumer Pick. The best sonic cleaner is probably one of the most versatile and effective tools you can add to your home cleaning arsenal, capable of tackling everything from delicate jewelry and eyeglasses to stubborn grime on tools and small household items with its high-frequency ultrasonic waves, making it an indispensable gadget for anyone who values pristine cleanliness and the preservation of their belongings. Number 5. Retainer Brite Ultrasonic Cleaner Tablets. Introducing Retainer Brite, the ultimate solution for keeping your clear retainers, aligners, and mouthguards sparkling clean. These powerful tablets ensure your dental appliances remain fresh and odor-free. Specifically formulated for users of removable dental appliances like Invisalign, night guards, and sports mouthguards. Experience a new level of clean with our specially designed formula. Our fast-acting tablets make cleaning effortless. Simply soak your dental appliances daily for optimal results and a brighter, fresher feel. Each package provides a 4-month supply with 120 individually wrapped tablets. Enjoy consistent freshness and clarity for your dental appliances throughout the year. Crafted with care in the USA, our tablets are made to the highest standards. Trust in the quality and effectiveness of Retainer Brite for your daily oral care routine. What we like. This product offers a convenient 4-month supply of cleaning tablets, ensuring your dental appliances stay fresh daily. If you use retainers, aligners, or mouthguards regularly, this is a hassle-free solution. You should consider this if you want a consistent and easy way to maintain oral hygiene without frequent purchases. What people say. These tablets actually make a noticeable difference. They're super easy to use. I just drop one in water, soak my aligners, and they come out clear and fresh without any leftover taste. It does a great job getting rid of buildup and odor, even after a long day of wear. Effectiveness. They fizz up quickly in warm water and do a fantastic job breaking down plaque and lingering odors. After a quick 15-minute soak, the plastic looks completely transparent and brand new again. Just one tablet of this product cleaned them so well, leaving them with no odor at all. I've been using it weekly for about a month and it always leaves them with this clean sensation, which is very important for something you're putting in your mouth every day. Number 4. Essential Values Ice Machine Cleaner and Descaler. Keep your ice tasting fresh and pure. Our cleaner removes mineral buildup and impurities, ensuring optimal performance. No matter the brand, this cleaner is designed to work. It's compatible with all major ice machine manufacturers for your convenience. Simply follow the easy instructions to restore your ice maker. It's a hassle-free way to maintain your appliance. Tackle stubborn limescale and mineral deposits with ease. This powerful formula gets deep inside to break down buildup. Regular cleaning prevents damage and keeps your machine running smoothly. Invest in its longevity with this essential maintenance solution. Enjoy the true taste of your beverages without any off flavors. This cleaner ensures your ice is as pure as it should be. What we like. This cleaner is specifically designed to tackle scale buildup in ice machines, ensuring optimal performance and hygiene. If you own an ice maker and are concerned about its efficiency or the taste of your ice, this is the product for you. You should choose this if you're looking for a reliable way to maintain your ice machine and prevent costly repairs. What people say. Did great job on machine that's been working fine but needed a cleaning. Now I decided to try it on machine we stuck in the garage because the mineral buildup from well water was horrible and cubes were coming out itty bitty despite periodic cleanings with vinegar and water mix. This is just impressive. Doing a second run of the stuff as I have a feeling it will get remaining bit of mineral buildup out, but cubes are already back to full size and astonishing visual change in the mineral buildup being removed too. Drained water from machine and followed instructions 4 ounces in a gallon of water, ran it through twice and then repeated with fresh water. It's like a new machine. It does have instructions on the bottle and does work as far as cleaning as far as my own EXP. Ran this through a cleaning cycle in my Frigidaire countertop ice maker and the ice came out crystal clear afterward. Huge difference. Easy to use and definitely worth keeping on hand for regular maintenance. Number 3. Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner, CD2800. Introducing the Magnasonic Professional Ultrasonic Jewelry Cleaner. It uses advanced ultrasonic technology to deliver a powerful yet gentle clean for your valuables. Simply use tap water to clean your jewelry, eyeglasses, watches, and more in just minutes. It effectively removes dirt and grime, leaving your items sparkling. Its 42,000 cycle ultrasonic energy wave generates millions of microscopic bubbles. These bubbles work to break down and remove stubborn blemishes for a thorough clean. Operation is incredibly easy with a 3-minute cleaning cycle and automatic shut-off. Just press the on button for a consistent and quiet cleaning experience every time. It features a large 20 ounces, 600 milliliters, stainless steel tank, perfect for submerging both small and large items. For enhanced cleaning, you can also add detergent. Achieve professional cleaning results with this versatile cleaner. It's ideal for both home and commercial use, ensuring your belongings look their best. What we like. Experience a powerful yet gentle clean with ultrasonic energy waves that attack stubborn blemishes. If you have delicate jewelry, eyeglasses, or watches that need a thorough cleaning without harsh scrubbing, this is an excellent choice. You should consider this if you want professional-level cleaning results at home with minimal effort and time. What people say. After using this, I kinda want to buy myself one too. The first 3 minutes removed pretty much everything. I put it in again for 3 minutes because it doesn't take long and, why not? Anyways, after those 2, my glasses appeared new and I removed the nose piece of the one that was still there, it looked new too. It was shocking. Brand new looking and no sign of being worn, except for the scratch I made many years ago. 3 minutes later, the machine cut off and I opened the lid. I could see the sparkle before I even took it out of the water. And no scrubbing required. The dirt did fall off. The water was grayish and gross. I ran it once more for good measure, took out my rings and dried them. They look just like I got them from the store. So clean and shiny. The diamonds look amazing. Number 2. Onlyone Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser. Introducing the Onlyone Rechargeable Cordless Water Flosser, your ultimate solution for daily oral hygiene. Experience a superior clean wherever you go. With adjustable water pressure, you can tailor your cleaning experience to your specific needs. It's perfect for sensitive gums and ensuring thoroughness. This portable oral irrigator is designed for convenience. Easily take it with you for fresh breath and a healthy smile, whether at home or on the road. Designed with sensitive gums and braces in mind, it provides a gentle yet powerful clean. Achieve optimal oral health without discomfort. Upgrade your routine with this advanced dental tool. It makes maintaining excellent oral hygiene simple and effective for everyone. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation with its long-lasting rechargeable battery. Say goodbye to tangled cords and hello to convenience. What we like. This water flosser offers the convenience of cordless operation and adjustable water pressure for a personalized oral care experience. If you have sensitive gums, braces, or are looking for a portable solution for daily oral hygiene, this is ideal. You should choose this if you want effective cleaning on the go without compromising on performance. What people say. It holds just enough water to do one cleaning effectively. I like the several squirting head options, they have come in handy. The pick works well. The buttons make changing the settings easy. And the battery life is wicked good. This does a superior job of finishing the cleaning of your teeth where flossing and brushing leave off. It is amazing how much more particles of food are removed when I use this after brushing and flossing. Easy to use with a variety of nozzles that should work for anyone. Number 1. CREWORKS Professional Jewelry Cleaning Machine. Tired of stubborn grime? This powerful cleaning machine effortlessly tackles even intricate areas, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Achieve professional quality cleaning results right at home. It quickly removes tarnish and stains from a variety of items, making them look like new. No more complicated setups. With an intuitive control panel, you can easily set the temperature and time for a perfect clean in minutes. Constructed with durable stainless steel and featuring non-skid feet and built-in fuses, this device is designed for long-lasting and safe use. We've designed this cleaner with your convenience in mind. Its inset handles make it easy to move and transport wherever you need it. What we like. This professional cleaning machine features a heater and digital controls for enhanced cleaning power and precision. If you need to clean larger items like dentures, multiple pieces of jewelry, or tools, its 2L capacity is perfect. You should consider this if you require a robust and versatile cleaner for a variety of items and want to achieve superior results with adjustable settings. What people say. The ultrasonic cleaner is very effective at removing dirt and grime from various items, including jewelry, glasses, and small machine parts. Its compact design makes it easy to store and use, and the simple one-button operation is user-friendly. The machine operates quietly, providing a pleasant cleaning experience without excessive noise. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.